Come test drive the 2018 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's motorsports performance division and is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.